Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
I'm going to share some of the latest job openings in Rajkot location. Let's discuss. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for receptionist position from Miracle Accounting Software. It is located in Rajkot, Gujarat. One vacancy is available for this position. Experience will be any. Coming to qualification details, 12th and any graduates can eligible to apply for this position. Coming to job profile, software recording details providing to customer, incoming calls handles and call transfers to technical and dealer support department. Office, back office and telecaller skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, you please check with the information provided here, and you can also send your resumes to the provided email ID for this position. Next, there is a job vacancy for academic counselor. It is for female candidates. It is from Feather for Solutions located in Rajkot, Gujarat. So this is the job description. Interested candidates, you please check with these ones, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 9265051119. There is a job vacancy for academic counselor position from Sri Academy Rajkot located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary range between 9,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. Freshers can also apply for this position. 4 vacancies are available. And coming to job description, ability to complete hectic day, ready to perform her or him best in a fun-loving environment, full-time duties after successful completion of one-on-one training, something additional which is not described but creative to open up wings. So you please check with the responsibilities required for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 8155048048. Next, there is a job vacancy for MBA required for in-house marketing position from Featherphone Solutions located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary range between 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month for this position. So coming to qualification details, MBA marketing freshers can also apply. 1 year of experience is preferable. Excellent Hindi and English communication skills. Once or twice in 6 months, there can be customer visit. Result oriented attitude. So these are the responsibilities and the skills required for this position. You please check with these ones. So they are not providing a transportation facility to a candidate. Please check with these ones, and the interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 9265051119. There is a job vacancy for marketing coordinator position from Miracle Accounting Software located in Rajkot, Gujarat. One vacancy is available. 0 to 2 years of experienced candidates can apply for this position. Any graduate or postgraduate. So coming to job profile, inbound call handling, follow up of marketing executives, send images to dealers, coordinate with the telecalling team, proofreading, marketing promotional email or SMS, send SMS for CRC, follow up of CRC activity, maintain incentive plan of marketing executive, maintain attendance with com dot off, reporting to marketing co and assistant market manager. So data mining. So this is about job profile. So please go through it once, and interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, or else you can contact with the given email ID for detailed information. There is a job vacancy for social media executive position from Span Webs located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary range between 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month for this position. Coming to skills required, social media knowledge is required in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Any graduates can apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can please approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9512480030. There is a job vacancy for social media marketing executive from the Inboundly digital marketing agency located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, excellent verbal and written communication skills are required. 2 to 3 years of experience in social media marketing, paid and organic. Solid end-to-end strategy and campaign execution experience across Facebook Ad Manager and Instagram and other channels as adopted. So this is about the job description. Please go through it once with the company description and as well as with the job description. Interested candidates for detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7984731331. There is a job vacancy for production line operator position from Spondline Nonwoven Private Limited located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 50,000 rupees per month. This is the company description and the candidate should be having 15 years of experience are required for this position. Please check with the all information provided here, and for further details you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 97377333434. Next, there is a job vacancy for telecaller position from Shyam Advisory Limited located in Rajkot. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 rupees per month. The candidate should be having convinced clients for advisory services, update client response in CRM, timely follow-up of clients, provide proper services to client, solve their query and stay in touch with them while position is on hold, clients track sheet maintenance, revenue generation. So this is about the job description. Please check with these ones, and interested candidates for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 93136876000. There is a job vacancy for sales executive position from Rumi Plastic located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, increase sales in local India as well export also. So interested candidates, please check with the company description and with the job description provided here, and for additional information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 98250322216. There is a job vacancy for telecaller executive position from Shivai Financial Services located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary range between 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And the telecallers initiate telephonic contact with existing and prospective clients in order to generate sales. So this is about job description. Please check with these ones. And for additional information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9499756942. There is a job vacancy for sales executive position from Pride Jeep Showroom, Rajarshi Group. It is for female candidates only, located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, and the candidate must have 2 or 3 years of experience in car automobile segments. And please check with the information provided here. And interested candidates, you can also approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9033407700. There is a job vacancy for telesales executive position from Spanwebs located in Rajkot. They are offering a salary range between 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. The candidate should be having good communication skills in Hindi and English as well as convenience skills. So the candidate must be a graduate, and 6 months to 2 years of work experience is required for this position. It's a full-time job. You can contact with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 95124800022. There is a job vacancy for CA Article Training Clerk position from Aravind Kumar Manier and Co. located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are urgently hiring for article assistant clerk position. They have provided here the address details and the contact number. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information, that is 9429566930. There is a job vacancy for PRO. It is from Dream India School located in Rajkot. They are hiring for marketing executive position and as well as the public relation officer PRO. They are hiring for these two positions. So interested candidates for detailed information about the jobs, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7096004508. There is a job vacancy for digital marketing executive position from Bright Future located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,900 to 22,600 rupees per month. 1 to 4 years of experienced candidate are required for this position. We should be having these responsibilities and the skills for this position. And for additional information, you can approach the given phone number for this position. The number is 8200749969. There is a job vacancy for online marketing executive position from Rajendra Industries located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. So it's a full-time job. Please check with the details provided here. And for additional information, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9909603207. Next, there are some job openings for a digital marketing executive position from Diamond Sync located in Rajkot. They are offering a salary range between 8,900 to 18,000 rupees per month. Any graduates can apply for this position. Freshers also allow. For additional information, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9925133222. Next, there is a job vacancy for marketing executive position from SSS Feeds located in Rajkot, Gujarat. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 rupees per month. And please check with the company description and the job description. It's a full-time job. For detailed information, you have to be contact with the given phone number, that is 02810238672. There is a job vacancy for SEO executive position from Network located in Rajkot. So these are all the details provided here for this position, and you please check with the skills and the responsibilities required here for this position. And interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. Hope this video will help you a lot to find a job. And if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.